Hey guys, how are you today? Such a lovely time to be running into you. Looking so awesome, man. Alright guys, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to be drawing a quick cartoon drawing of Tony Stark, aka Iron Man, aka the best superhero ever. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So for this exercise, guys, I'm going to need you to break out your Crayola marker, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing that we want to do is we want to put down a basic head shape, okay? So I want you to envision the head shape as some kind of shape in your head. I envision it as a wine glass, so let's go ahead and show you kind of what I mean here. So I'll just draw kind of like the bottom line of the head. So we got shape 1 here. Okay, 1. Then we're going to draw this line here. 2, right? And then let's give him a neck here. And 3. Alright. Now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the upper shape to the head. Okay? So we're going to go with this shape here. We're going to go 1, right? 2, right? And then we're going to go with this shape here. 3. And that shape is going to end. You could put a little bit of this sideburn here, okay? Now, we're going to add our hair shape here in the top. Remember, you want to use as less lines as possible. Okay, just like so. Then we're going to add our other shape over here. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Now, let's go ahead and put this ear over here, my friend. So right here, I want you to do it right here. And I want you to just go ahead and bring that shape in, just like that. You see how easy and basic that shape is. Just like so. Okay? Now, we have one more shape to do. That's right, you guessed it. For the head shape, we want to do something like this, but we want our shape to always flow back into our shape here. You see how everything just kind of flows like this? So it's a circle. It's a circle. Okay. Now, my friends, let's go ahead and do the eye shape. So we're going to go with a very down shape like this, right? 1, 2, okay? And then we're just going to add some thickness to the eyebrow. So copy my shape. 1, 2, okay? Now we're going to do the eyebrow, the eye shape, okay? So I want you to copy these 4 lines here. 1, right? 2, right? 3, right? And make this line thin. 4, okay? Let's do that again. 1, right? 2, 3, 4. Okay, awesome. Now we're going to do the eyeball. So 1 shape here, 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 1 shape here. Okay? Look how easy that was. And now we'll just add like a little line like this. Just do it. Just do it. Look. Look. 1 line that goes against the grain. Like that. Okay? And then look, add some little dots down here just for his the little eyelashes on the bottom. Okay? Now let's do the nose shape. So how does the nose shape go? Real simple. Look, we're going to draw the bridge of the nose here because it's going to always touch the eye. So let's draw a shape here. Let's go. How long the nose is, 1. Then we're going to wrap it around, 2, 3, 4, right? And then we're going to go right here above that line, right above it, like that, see? And on the other side, we're going to make a little one, look. Make sure it's little, okay? 1. These lines here need to be very thin, 2, okay? A little line here, 3. Just a little line here, because he has that little thing on his nose on the bottom, right? Okay, now let's do our mouth. I want you to copy me exactly, okay? We want to always start our mouth in between the pupils. So right down from where the pupil is, I want you to draw this line. 1, right? Then I want you to draw this line. 2, 3, 4, down. Then I want you to do like this. With a light line, draw a little squiggly line there. And then one line like that, okay? Now, let's go ahead and start adding our hair or our mustache here, because you look different without your mustache. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna draw a mustache like this. 1. Then we're gonna come across. 2, right? Now, oh wait, let's do this. Do this right here. Got that? All right, now let's add this part of his mustache. So we're gonna draw the shape. 1, right? Draw a line here. Line like that. And a line like that. And then we're just gonna do little lines like this. Just kind of up and down. Up and down. Just like this. Okay? Now, oh man, this is looking great, isn't it, guys? Aren't you so happy with your drawing right now? I know you're happy because you're smiling. Man, this is easy. Okay, now let's do some age lines, okay? So I want you, real lightly, to do a line like this. 1, see how I did that? 2, okay? I want you to draw another line like this, very lightly. 1, okay? Then we're gonna draw a line here. 1, 2, right? And then we're gonna draw a line here. 1, 2, just like that. Let's go ahead and color these eyebrows in. So let's just come like this. Look, see how my hand's doing? Let's do that. Awesome. Okay. Now let's do this right here. Right here. Look. Just like this. 1. See that? Okay. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to do the same thing right about here. Okay? And then we're going to add some 1, 2, 3. 1. See how light those lines are? Now let's make some hair over here, just a little bit to fill it in the back. We'll make these lines real light. See how they're lighter than the ones in the front? And then in the front, we'll put a few little lines. Just like this. Okay. All right. Now, let's do this line here. Let's go 1, 2, like a little rainbow. Then we're gonna go a little circle around here. Look like he's coming out of his Iron Man suit. And don't forget, draw these little lines here so it look like he's down inside of the armor. And then we'll put his little shoulders right there. His shoulders right there. And then we'll try to sneak in his Iron Man chest plate. And then I want you to draw a little line like this, a little line like that. I'm working on a small piece of paper. Oh, we're running out of paper. Okay. And then we'll just do like this here, here. And never forget, we'll just add some little reflections in his suit. And you can color this in later if you wish. Okay. And one more line here, very important. One. Okay. Now, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to add some shadow to the drawing. Okay. So I want you to get out your gray Crayola, right? These are ultra lavable. And this is how we're going to do it. Okay. I want you to add some color here and here with your gray, you see? I want you to add some gray here. I want you to come all the way down with a thin line, and that little piece of nose that you drew on the other side, I want you to color that in around the bottom of the nose, all right? And along these two lines here, okay? Then I want you to do a line across this one. And then I want you to do on the side of your marker, draw a big line right there. You see how that made it look nice and what's the word I'm looking for? 3D. Now you see that little top lip we drew? I want you to do the same thing there. Okay. You see here inside of my armor, I want you to color in those little spots right there. I want you to color in some spots like this. Just follow my hand. I'm gonna go real slow here for you so you can see. Okay. I want you to do a line like this. 1, 2, and we're gonna go 1 and 2. Okay, and then we're gonna go look 1, 2. Okay, and a little bit right here, just a little bit here. Okay, now this is what we're going to do, right? We're going to add a little line just like this, so it'll look like his hair is kind of coming over the head, see? Like a shadow. And then I want you to come down the side of the face with a very thin line all the way to the bottom. Okay. Now, guys, the next part of our drawing is going to be our hair. Okay, so if you have a crayon, that's awesome. You can use a crayon. I have a black poster marker, so I'm going to use this poster marker, and I want you to just kind of follow along. So how you do the hair is you use this side of the marker. So you use the side of the marker, not the front, not this part of the marker here, but this part of the marker right here. And I want you to see how it is right here. I want to pull it. 1, look, pull it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then I want you to come here to the top, and I want you to put you want to start with the edge of the marker and do your edges first. 3, 4, just kind of color in the edges with the point of the marker first. Okay, let's color in our edges. Okay, and then from the bottom of that where you made your edge line, I want you to go and put your side of the marker and pull into this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, see how we did that? Now we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to put the edge of our marker here, pull out, 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 out. Okay, do the edge, 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 edge. I left a little piece right there. And then we're going to come in just a little bit, because you got to really control your hand to do this. Little strokes there. Okay, now let's do this side over here. Look, out, 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 sideburn. Okay, then define your edge, color in your little points, in. See how I leave that little line right there? Okay, cool. Now, let's go ahead and just darken the eyebrow with the edge right here. This is color it in. With your crayon, if you have a crayon, you can do it that way too. If you're drawing with a crayon, you can use the same technique. You just it might not come out as dark, okay? Now here, I want you to just go ahead in those little spots and color in that dark right there. And then I want you to put your cap on your marker. And then we're going to use a small Crayola marker. Or not Crayola, this is like a Sharpie or Amazon basic marker. So I want you to just color that eyeball in. Okay? I want you to, on your top line, make it a little dark. Just stay on top of that line. And then I want you to bring the eyelashes down. So on men, you always want to bring your eyelashes down and don't put that many. So I might put 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, right? And then underneath your chin, I want you to draw a little line like this. And let's darken in this right here. And also, let's darken in our mustache with it. It's always good to get your mustache right. Okay, and at the end of your drawing, show you a little trick. And where you see your little lines at, you'll just do little thin lines inside of that little light space that you left. This will make your hair look real. So you'll put the lines in the middle of the hair, and then on the top, you'll do some on the very outside, like little picos. Did I say picos? My wife taught me that word. All right. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much how you draw Iron Man. All you have to do is put the name here. I want to thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. I hope you were able to learn quite a bit from how to draw the eyes, how to get the head shape. We're going to be doing more videos like this. We're going to slow it down, break it down, and get you guys on point. Get your caricatures on point. Are you guys ready to learn? Yeah, we're ready to learn. All right, guys, so just don't forget to sign your work. Don't forget to share. We do have an Instagram. We have a Facebook. You can send your pictures in. Let me check them out to see how well you guys have been doing, okay? All right, guys, so you have a blessed and wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.